Reliable power starts from a real factory. Inside our workshops, every process follows strict manufacturing standards, from assembly to final inspection. Customers from different countries visit our factory to understand our production capability and quality standards in person. Mingtuo provides a full range of power distribution products, including air circuit breakers, molded case circuit breakers, and vacuum circuit breakers, designed for stable and reliable operation. Every Mingtuo product is tested before delivery. Mingtuo products are successfully powered on and operating safely in real projects, from factory testing to on-site commissioning. Mingtuo Electric, your trusted partner in power distribution. Close a deal, make a friend, serve a customer, and earn recognition. The more people recognize us, the more successful we will be.